Greetings, citizen. It is I, Shapeshifter, defender of Polygon City, but I'm afraid this time I'm going to need your help. A construction robot has gone haywire and has decided to start destroying buildings instead of constructing them. He calls himself the Deconstructor, and he is out of control. We've got to stop him, but first we'll have to rebuild some of the buildings he demolished. I have my trusty tool belt here, but we're going to have to fill the pouches with useful shapes. The only shapes I use are polygons. Polygon makes a super useful shape because it is a closed shape, not an open shape. If it was an open shape, it might bend or collapse, it might leak or let in water, but closed shapes are sealed and strong. Polygons also have vertices and straight sides. A vertex is another word for a corner where two sides meet, and polygons need to have at least 3 of them. Then there are a variety of shapes with 4 vertices and 4 sides. These are called quadrilaterals. Quadra means 4, como cuatro in Espanol. And then there are polygons with even more sides. Pentagons, hexagons, heptagons, octagons, nonagons, decagons. And they are all super. But I don't have room for all of them on my tool belt, so let's start preparing with the basic shapes. This closed shape with 3 sides and 3 vertices is the simplest polygon, a triangle. Parallelograms have 2 sets of parallel lines. Parallel means if you keep drawing those lines straight forever, they would never cross, like the 2 L's in the word parallel. A rhombus is a special kind of parallelogram that has 4 equal sides, all sides of the same length. A rectangle is a kind of parallelogram where the vertices are right angles. This means you could draw a little L shape or a square inside each corner. Then there is a special quadrilateral that has 4 equal sides like a rhombus and 4 right angles like a rectangle. This shape is called a square. One last quadrilateral we might need is called a trapezoid. This shape only has 1 pair of parallel lines. The other sides could be straight or slanted, but they will not be parallel. Now that you know about all of my shape tools, let's get them loaded into my belt pouches. In the first pouch, let's load the shape with 3 sides and 3 vertices. What is that shape called? If you said triangle, that is correct, friend. In the next pouch, we will need a quadrilateral with 2 long sides, 2 short sides, and 4 right angles. Which shape is that? The correct answer is rectangle. Now, let's put a very useful shape in the third belt pouch. A type of rectangle with 4 sides that are all the same length. The correct answer, citizen, is square. In the final pouch of my tool belt, let's load some trapezoids, just in case we need to trap a droid. Ha! Which one is the trapezoid? Here it is. Good, I think we are ready now. Oh no, the Deconstructor has taken down the supports on the suspension bridge.
The Deconstructor must destroy everything.
We'd better use the right shape to get them constructed again. Which shape should we use? I'll give you a clue. We need 2 of the shape that has 3 vertices. A triangle ought to do the trick. Well, 2 of them to be exact. But the Deconstructor is getting away.
You cannot stop the Deconstructor. Ha ha ha.
Oh no, the Deconstructor has ruined these buildings. Let's see if we can get them constructed again. Which shape should we use for the building on the left that is taller than it is wide? A rectangle would be super. But the other building is the same width and height. We'll have to use a special kind of quadrilateral for that one. If you picked the square, you're a real hero. Now that the city is safe, we've got to go stop the Deconstructor.
You'll never catch me. I'm going to deconstruct everything.
Wow, the Deconstructor is really out of control now, but he seems to be moving in a pattern. He changes direction 6 times and then repeats the pattern. Oh no, we don't have a shape with 6 vertices, but maybe we could use one of our shapes more than one time to trap him with a 6-sided fence. Do you know how we could do that, my super sidekick? We can use 2 trapezoids to make 1 hexagon. That's some super thinking. But now that we've got it trapped, how can we shut it down? I'm afraid we may need a shape now that's not a polygon, so it's not in my tool belt. Quick, do you know what we call the closed shape with no vertices and 0 straight sides? If so, press it quickly. Quick thinking. A circle can be a great shape for sure. Today it saved the day, but it's not a polygon because it had 0 sides and 0 vertices. Well done, Super Buddy. We shut down the Deconstructor, and maybe now we can reprogram him to be a good robot again. In any case, Polygon City is safe for now, thanks to you.